I'm going to share 3 reasons why people don't achieve their goals and how you can. Number 1, they don't believe that they wield that power. They don't believe that they are really creating their world and that they can shift that. They don't understand from a quantum physics level that they actually are controlling what's going on around them. Number 2, they believe that they lack the resources to make that change. They don't know where to go to change their lives, most of all how they're working and earning and living. We are miserable, but we don't know where to go to change that because the traditional world doesn't support it. And number 3, society tells us not to do it. Stay where you are. Be stable, stick to that job for 30 years. And so we're surrounded by people who discourage us. I'm Landria Onkka, a former investment banker who was in that world, who decided I wasn't going to listen to any of it anymore. I knew I was in control. I knew that there are resources out there. I just had to find them. And I knew I had to surround myself with positive people that were going to help me achieve those goals, because anything is possible and you can do the same. Are you working in a position, whether you're making a lot of money or struggling, are you not happy? It's time to change that. I was very successful as an investment banker, and I was not living out those dreams. You know, we're told those are hobbies, right? You don't do that for a living. Well, that's so wrong. There's nothing that you can't take and monetize online without having to struggle in a traditional job. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I quit my investment banking job. I saw an ad like this, and I knew as an investment banker, things were going to change drastically. And in the 5 years I've been an online business owner, they have. It's exploding. Affiliate marketing, online educations are the fastest growing industries online. Why? Because people want out of their present situations, and they see that we have new ways, new tools to do that, and that it can be lucrative. I'm here to tell you it's true, but it takes action and it takes some work. You'll have to learn new skills. I'm going to offer you somewhere here a free workshop series to find out what those skills are that you can get on your free time online, and you can be up and running with your own online business within weeks. Why am I promoting this? Because it changed my life, and there's a new way of life, resources that are there for you with like-minded people that are going to cheer you on. They're saying, get out. It's not too late. No matter how young or how old you are, this works. Online businesses don't discriminate. If you bring value to the world will come to you. I learned how to create online businesses from scratch, no tech experience, and I didn't have products and services. You can do the same. I went after my dreams. I got an interior design degree. I became a best-selling, award-winning author, and I have a television movie. Then I created online businesses, and now I'm a YouTube influencer, changing people's lives. I feel so good every day because I love what I do, and I earn doing it. I'm rewarded for doing good things. Wouldn't you love to live your life that way? Being able to travel when you want to, spending time at home with your family because you're not going into an office anymore? It's possible. We're going to show you how to do that. Click somewhere here on the screen, and we'll show you step by step the various ways you can earn money online. And here's the deal. We're not just giving you tools and saying, go out and make money, chase money. We're showing you how to create a life you love step by step, and getting those skills, and that's critical. You'll have skills that you can go out and market to other people, become a consultant or a coach or anything. Real skills with a real education and a platform, a business platform that you can implement that will be up and running within weeks if you put the time in and the effort, and we'll show you how to do that. Mentors, trainers, support teams, it's all critical to your success. Don't try and go without it. Don't try and pull together all of the pieces that are required to have a successful business. That's why so many people fail online, because they don't have that mentoring to show them how a real business operates and have the skills behind it. So if you want to join me, you can click somewhere here on the screen, and I will be here to greet you too, because I want to see you succeed. Thanks for listening. I wish you great success no matter what you pursue.